Good morning, class. How do you feel today? Alright, before we are going to start our lesson for today, may I call on Janelle Grace for a Christian prayer and followed by Sarihan Makote for our Muslim prayer. Thank you, Janelle Grace and Sarihan. Alright, once again, good morning, class. Before taking your seats, kindly pick up pieces of papers around you and kindly arrange your chairs properly. Alright, class, let me check your attendance. Is anybody absent today? Anyone? Okay, we have here. Alright, I hope next meeting everybody is present, okay? Okay. Class, did I give you an assignment last meeting? Alright, class, kindly pass your assignment to the center aisle and pass it forward. Okay, thank you. Are all papers in? Okay. Alright, class, let us review first our lesson yesterday. What was our lesson all about? Anyone? Yes, Christine? Okay, very good. Let's give her 3 claps. And now, can anyone tell me what are the 5 senses? Anyone? Okay, Mark. Very good, Mark. Let's give him a round of applause, please. Now, class, we will have a short activity. Are you excited? Are you all familiar with a pendulum? Okay, for those who do not know what is a pendulum is, now this is what we call a pendulum. And I would like everybody to look at this swinging pendulum. Okay? Have you observed, class, that you are following the direction of the pendulum? Yes. Alright. And that will be our topic for today. Since you already know the idea of our lesson for today, it's all about the parts of an eye. This time, let me present to you our lesson objectives for today. Okay. This is our objective, to identify and appreciate the different parts of an eye. Okay? First, we must be able to identify the different parts of an eye and also to appreciate the real value or significance of our eyes in our daily lives. Okay. As we go through our lessons, we will be able to encounter some unfamiliar words. Everyone, read. The first word is eyeball. This is the round mass of the eye within its bony socket. The second one is membrane. It is a thin layer of skin. The third one is refract. It is the outer course of wave of energy. And the fourth one is impulse. It is a sudden urge. Now that we already unlocked the terms, we will have an activity. In this class, I will divide you into 2 groups. This is the group 1 and this is the group 2. Each group will be provided with pictures. All you have to do is to label the parts of an eye with its corresponding parts. This activity is intended only for 1 minute. Okay. When I say time is up, everybody should stop labeling. One of each group will get a list of their group members, and each group will be rated by the use of rubrics. Okay? Now you can start labeling the parts. Okay? Time is up. Now class, we are going to check your work. Class, are you sure about your answers? Okay. So, this juncture, I will present to you the parts of a human eye with its corresponding parts. Now we will check your paper based on the diagram. So first, we have here cornea. Group 1, where is your cornea? Okay, correct. For the group 2, where is your cornea? Okay, correct. And the last part is the retina. In group 1, where is your retina? Wrong. In group 2, where is your retina? Correct. So let's count your correct answers. So, group 1 got 2 correct answers. While in group 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Your activity earlier was graded by the use of this rubrics, and I'm going to record it before I'll give it to you. Okay, class? Okay. Now, class, we will proceed to our topic for today, which is all about eyes. Now, before that, please read the definition of eye. Everybody read. Eye is an organ which gives us the sense of sight. It allows us to learn more about the surrounding world than we do with many of the other 4 senses. Okay. Do you understand, class? Okay. Alright, let us proceed. Okay, class, we have different parts of a human eye. We have cornea, pupil, lens, iris, optic nerves, and retina. So each parts constitute different function. So now, alright, please read the first part. Retina. Retina is the inner layer of the eye. Okay? Most animals, including humans, have complex and highly specialized visual systems. Okay? Different animals have found several different ways to gather light and use it to accomplish complex visual processing. Mammals, for example, have a single lens and retina which gathers light and turns that light into information that the brain can read. Okay? Here we will focus on the details of the human eye. First is the retina. The retina is a light-sensitive layer of tissue that covers the back of the inner eyeball. It contains light-sensitive cells which can determine the light, the dark, and the color to assemble things or images of the world. Okay? Do you understand, class? Okay. Alright, everyone, please read the second part. Iris. Iris is a part of an eye that regulates the size of a center hole. Okay? The iris is one of the parts of a human eye that is a colored ring around the pupil. Different people have different amounts of pigment in their eyes, resulting in eye colors ranging from blacks to very pale blues and greens. As you can observe, in many people there are have different colors of their eye. There are people who have blue eyes, who have brown eyes, green eyes, and many more. So that's the role of iris. Okay, it is a colored pigment of an eye that regulates the size of a center hole. So do you understand, class? Okay. So all right, everyone, read the third part. Pupil. Pupil is a part of an eye in which the light enters the eyeball. Okay? The pupil is the third part of an eye wherein it is the opening of the inner chamber of the eye. Pupils appear black because light passes through them and does not return. Okay? The pupil then is our actual window to the world. Once it has passed the pupil, light is focused by the lens. Okay? And by the way, lens is another part of an eye which will be discussed later. Okay. Alright, everyone, please read the fourth part. Cornea. Cornea is a tough 5-layer membrane through which light is admitted to the interior of the eye. Cornea is the fourth part of an eye wherein light starts its journey into the eye by passing through the cornea. This layer of transparent tissue sits on top of the iris and pupil. It helps to focus light to produce a clear image on the retina and acts as an additional protective layer for the eye. Alright, class, do you understand? Okay. Alright, everyone, please read the fifth part. Okay. Lens is a part of an eye that refracts and focuses light rays. Lens is the fifth part of an eye where it lies immediately behind the pupil. Some people think that the lens of the eye is found on the outside, but where the cornea is, perhaps because of the use of the word contact lenses, but the lens that performs the final focusing of light is found inside the eye, not on the outside, behind the pupil. The lens is a very complex structure. It is made of elastic capsule containing proteins and water, okay, and which refracts light, okay, at a constant rate, just like the lenses used in glasses. It has layers of soft tissue surrounding a firm nucleus. All right, everyone, please read the sixth part. Optic nerves. Optic nerves transmits impulses from eye to the brain. Optic nerves are one of the many parts of the eye that is composed of bundle of nerve fibers that travel from retina to the brain. Each optic nerve consists of data, or let's say it encodes image data recorded by the retina in the form of neural signals, okay, that can be read by the brain. Do you understand, class? Okay, so any questions? Violent reactions. So that concludes our discussions about the different parts of a human eye. So now, class, do you have questions? If none, I am very happy that you are doing great in our discussions. So now, I will ask several questions, okay? So, class, what is the importance of a human eye? Anyone? Yes, Christian? Very good. Let's give him a round of applause, please. Anybody? Yes, Jazel? Very good. Let's give her a round of applause, please. Okay, so additionally, okay, class, an eye is a very important part of our body. Okay, it is actually important because we perceive up to 80% of all impressions by the sense of our sight. And if other senses will not work, okay, such as the taste of smell or taste of taste, stop working, it's the eyes that best protect us from danger, okay? Is it clear, class? Okay, again, for 5 points. For 5 points. What are the parts of an eye? Anyone? Yes, Genevieve? Okay, very good. 5 points for you. It seems that you really understand our lesson for today, class. I am very happy. Okay, this time, class, I want you to prepare one whole sheet of paper. And in that sheet, you will draw any part of an eye. Afterwards, you will be provided thoughts of why you choose that part of an eye, okay? So, limit the answer into 1 to 2 sentences. This and the individual activity is limited for 2 minutes only, okay? Are my instructions clear, class? Okay, so your time starts now. Okay. Alright, please pass all your drawing plates. Late papers will not be accepted. Okay. Okay, so class, can you tell me what are your insights and feelings about our lesson for today? Anyone? Yes? Okay, very good. I think everybody is ready for a quiz, okay? So, now I will provide to you this answer sheet. What are you going to do is to answer comprehensively, okay? Encircle the letter of your choice, okay? This is only a 5-item quiz, and this is only limited for 2 minutes only. Okay, are we clear, class? Very good. Okay, so I will distribute these papers to your classmates, and you may start answering right now. Okay, papers up. Okay, pass your papers to the center aisle and pass it forward. All papers in. Late papers will not be accepted. So for your assignment, draw a part of the body that is responsible for hearing. Okay, so you can pass it by next meeting, and here are your reference. Okay, so guys, it was indeed a very any questions with the assignment class? If none, then let's call it a day. Thank you for your cooperation and for listening, class. It was indeed a very great day, and I hope you learned something about our discussions for today. Goodbye, class. Goodbye.